Hello, parents and students. This is Mrs. Nevares. I just wanted to send you a quick video in guiding you in our new learning management system, Schoology, for the upcoming school year. Again, my name is Mrs. Nevares, and I will be your son or daughter's chemistry teacher. Okay. And I provided here in the first page all my contact information, and I am going to provide that again next week, and it's going to be in the course as well, okay? So first of all, parents and students, you elected the type of instruction that you want. We have the synchronous and the asynchronous instruction, okay? If you had synchronous, you're going to notice that you're going to have live instruction for the first 15 minutes of each class. Okay, so if, for example, this is your schedule on the left. Okay, let's say you have chemistry, 7th period, right? Well, that means that 2:42, we're going to have live instruction for 15 minutes. Okay, so until 2:57. Okay, that's when we're going to have live instruction. Okay, and this is for synchronous instruction. Okay, so when you sign on to your NISD portal, you're going to see all of these apps, okay? And then here at the bottom is the Schoology app that you're going to pick, okay? And it's going to be this one. Okay, so you're going to pick that app, and then it's going to take you to your courses. Of course, in my view, I have a lot of chemistry classes here, right? But you're going to have all of your courses there, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to enter your class, and then you're going to notice that you're going to see your course here, okay? And you know what course it is because it's going to have the name of the course and the period, okay? So this is chemistry, 8th period. It says pre-AP, okay? I teach pre-AP and AP Chem. And then the very top in the announcements is going to be, again, my information, and then at the bottom you're going to see the folders, okay? So the very first one says welcome to Pre-AP Chem, and that's what we're going to talk about next week, and we're going to break it down. We're going to talk about the expectations, the procedures, everything, okay? Of course, if you're going to be synchronous, right, where we're going to be meeting 15 minutes, you're going to sign on to this Zoom meeting, okay? Either way, for synchronous or asynchronous instruction, this is going to be your course, okay? And then here at the, we're gonna have another folder. It's the Pre-AP Chemistry folder, right? In this Pre-AP Chemistry folder, this is where you're going to have the work. This is where you're going to have any assignments. At times I'll post some lectures, right? Similar to this video, okay? So all of this video is just guiding you to that first day. And again, I'm going to help you out. Any questions that you have, feel free to email me at christina.nevares@nisd.net. Have a great weekend. I can't wait to see you all next week, okay? Thank you.